Let me show you all camera settings available on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So first, let's go to the camera settings. We have three sections over here: photo, video, and general. And of course, we're going to start with the photo. Over here, of course, we can enable and disable the watermark, which also has some additional options. Then we have AI recommendations, where we can enable and disable the extended depth of field, the ultra zoom, which apparently is an AI, and then also the QR code scanner. We also have the option to choose what is the main camera default focal distance. We have the image format, which can be set to JPG or HEIF. We have the picture quality, which by default is actually set to high, so we can increase it to super over here. Then we also have the metering preference, which can be set to face or average. We have the selfie settings, where we can enable and disable the mirror effect for the front camera, and we can also remove mouse when we use skin smoothing effects. Then we also have the shutter type section, where we can tap the screen in order to take a photo. We can also take a photo with a palm gesture. We have the voice command, where we can say cheese in order to capture a photo. And then also we have additional shutter, that allows us to take the shutter button and place it anywhere we wish it to be. This is an additional one, so the standard one is still remains in the same spot. All right, let's go back, and then we also have the motion tracking focus, where we can automatically identify a subject or double tap a subject to lock the autofocus, and this is also available in the video section. And there is also fast shot, which is a feature that allows you to quickly press the volume down button twice when the phone is locked, in order to instantly switch to turn on the camera app and then take a photo. And then we also have the video section, where we can choose the video encoder to we can set it to HEVC or H264. We have audio settings, where we can enable and disable the noise reduction. We have dimensional immersive audio, live in-ear monitor, and source tracking. We also have motion tracking focus, as I mentioned before. This one is available in the video mode and in pro video mode. And it supports up to 4K 30 frames per second. We also have Dolby Vision, so we can record Dolby Vision videos in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. And we also have the auto frame rate, which reduces frame rate for videos in low light or high temperature environments automatically. And of course general, where we can find the grid lines. We can enable grid lines. We have rule of thirds and the golden ratio. We have the center mark and straighten, which is the leveler. We have display parameters, where we can show focus peaking in the pro photo, the exposure verification, histogram, and in pro video we can show the audio histogram and waveform. We can also preserve options over here. As you can see, the list goes on and on. So whenever we exit and return to different modes, we can keep some settings. Then we also have the feature layout, where we can rearrange the more section, where we can find more modes. We can add them to the main list over here. We have the shutter sound, so we can actually change the shutter sound to sound a little bit differently. We have the volume buttons function. We can decide what should happen when we press volume buttons while being in the camera. So we can use it as the timer. We can use it to take the photo or start recording a video, or we can use it to zoom in and zoom out, or actually we can also use it as volume buttons. So there are no additional options available, and there is no additional functionality assigned to volume buttons when we are in the camera. We also have the quick snap shutter style, which is available in the fast shot mode. So the one that you trigger when you have the lock screen, or in other words, when you have the screen locked, the device is locked. Then we have auto adjust lens, where we can enable and disable adaptive macro and adaptive telephoto. We have shoot with screen off. We can turn off screen after 3 minutes of inactivity to save power while recording regular or time-lapse videos using timed bursts or long exposure. We can also save location info, which allows you to store the information where the photo was taken or where was the video recorded. You have these information in the details of the photo. So if you go to the gallery and if you open the photo and go to the details of the photo, then you can find the location information. We also have the shutter sound option, which allows the phone allows us to turn on or off the shutter sound, so the sound when we take a photo. We also have other settings where we have the pocket mode and anti-bending, and we can check if we have any updates for the camera software, and we can restore default settings. In addition to that, over here in the top right corner we have this eye icon. We can use it in order to find the description of different features. More precisely, we have the description of the Pro Photo, Pro Video, the Fast Shot, and the time-lapse, long exposure, and movie. And that is essentially it. These are all camera settings available on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!